Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling an issue that affects so many people: how to avoid credit card debt traps. Credit cards can be useful tools, but if you're not careful, they can lead to long-term debt and financial stress. Let's uncover the traps credit card companies set and how to outsmart them. One major trap is minimum payments. Credit card companies encourage you to pay only the minimum so they can charge you interest on the remaining balance. This keeps you in debt for years and costs you more over time. Always aim to pay your full balance each month to avoid interest altogether. Next, there are hidden fees. Late payment fees, annual fees, foreign transaction fees, they're everywhere. These fees can sneak up on you and drain your finances. Be sure to read your card's terms and check your statement regularly to avoid unnecessary charges. Beware of introductory offers like 0% interest for a few months. They sound appealing, but once the promo ends, you could face steep interest rates. If you don't pay off the balance in time, you'll be stuck paying far more than you expected. Another tactic is credit limit increases. Companies will tempt you with higher limits to encourage more spending. While it might feel empowering, overspending beyond your means is a quick way to rack up unmanageable debt. So, how do you stay in control? Always pay your balance in full to avoid interest charges. Set payment reminders or enable automatic payments to avoid late fees. Stick to a budget and only spend what you can afford to repay. Use credit card rewards programs wisely. Don't let them tempt you into unnecessary spending. Keep track of your credit score to qualify for better terms and rates in the future. Credit cards aren't the problem, it's how they're used. By staying vigilant and adopting these smart strategies, you can take full advantage of credit cards without falling into debt. Thanks for watching.